How to get a plump lips. First, let's create the philtrum dent. Using an earthy toned shade, draw a small triangle within the philtrum area, then lightly shade both sides to blend it out. Use a matte shade, such as a matte white, to highlight these 2 points. Take a nude pink lip liner. Holding it upright, draw a U shape at the center of your upper lip. Pout slightly and draw upward at the corners. Remember to always lift upward rather than drawing outward. Connect the upper corners to the upper lip area. You'll notice that when you pout, this area forms a triangle. Repeat this on the other side. For the lower lip, locate the natural indentation just below your lip. Mark a point there. Then press your lips together and slightly narrow the liner inward along that line. From the front, you will see a much more defined shape. While the upper lip doesn't require blending, you should blend the corners of your mouth so they appear naturally lifted. Blend the lower lip line as well. Now, apply a nude lipstick generously as a base. On the upper lip, blend the color toward the peaks on both sides. Slightly extend and diffuse the edges outward to create a soft, blurred effect. Layer a brighter, slightly glossy shade on top, focusing on the inner part of your lips. For the lower lip, blend the color toward the center. If you prefer a less defined Cupid's bow, you can softly blend over that area on the upper lip. If the inner color doesn't feel vibrant enough after blending, add another layer and lightly press your lips together. At this stage, your lips are technically finished. However, if you want a softer, pure and flirty look, you can add a clear gloss. On the upper lip, apply it in a crisscross motion at the lip peaks. That's it. With a bit of practice, you'll master it in no time.